Autumn's like, I just want to eat you. What are you doing, Autumn? What are you doing, Autumn? Oh my gosh, you almost knocked over the TV. What in the world are you doing, Autumn? Oh my gosh. What are you doing? It's like the cutest position you've ever made, Autumn. Okay, I think you're just posing because you know you're on camera. What? Ignore my math book in the background. What? Bless you. Stop being so cute, Alma. I gotta do school. Hi, Autumn. You heard the bird? Hi. Oh my gosh. Hi, Harper. You hear the bird, Autumn? I'm trying to do math, Autumn. Can you get off my math book? I need to do math, Autumn. Excuse me. Every time I try to do homework in bed. Excuse me. You're not moving, are you? Didn't think so. They really want my tuna salad sandwich.
Turn it around.
I'm surprised Harper's not down here.
She's in the closet.
The door's open, right?
Yes. She just hides from Theo in the closet.
It's the most quiet place in the room, in the house. It's our parents' closet, and Harper
So
likes.
Jackson goes in there to plug his phone in.
Yep, and then she leaves. That's my water!
Oh! You're sure we don't know upstairs.
I'm videoing!
Oh!
Angel, that's my water!
It's a good thing I fell down the small part of the street instead of the whole thing.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You know the funny thing? I was videoing. Because she's drinking my water.
That hurt.
Right after she tried to eat the paint.
Look, like my foot, I think I started tripping on the like platform thingy, and my toe kicked the thingy, and then I just fell, and Theo went right there and pushed me down. Ew, it's super wet outside. It's been raining all day.